Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make bone broth and store it. First, select your bones. About 2 pounds of beef, chicken, or pork bones work well. Roasting them for around 30 minutes at 400 degrees Fahrenheit before simmering significantly enhances the flavor. Place the roasted bones into a large pot, ideally a 6-quart or larger, ensuring there's enough space for water and other ingredients. This initial step is crucial for a rich, flavorful broth. Next, add your aromatics to the pot with the bones. Include 1 roughly chopped onion, 2 carrots, and 2 celery stalks. Don't forget 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. This helps draw out valuable minerals from the bones during cooking. Cover everything with water, ensuring the bones are submerged by at least 1 inch. Bring the mixture to a rolling boil, then reduce the heat to a gentle simmer. Allow your broth to simmer gently for a minimum of 12 hours, and up to 24 hours for the richest flavor and nutrient extraction. During the first hour of simmering, periodically skim off any foam or impurities that rise to the surface. Once simmering is complete, let the broth cool slightly. Then, carefully strain it through a fine mesh sieve or cheesecloth to remove all solids, leaving you with a clear, golden liquid. To store your homemade bone broth, first ensure it's completely cooled. You can refrigerate it in airtight containers for up to 5 days, making it convenient for daily use. For longer storage, freeze the broth in smaller, usable portions, like 1 cup or 2 cup containers, where it will keep well for up to 6 months. This ensures you always have nutritious broth on hand. Also, be sure to check the description below for a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, along with other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.